Scene script. Have you ever stopped to consider what your life could look like if you had total control over your finances? Imagine a world where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, stressing about how to pay the next bill or feeling trapped in a cycle of debt. This is a world where you have the freedom to make choices that align with your dreams and aspirations, and it all starts with understanding and managing your personal finances. Personal finance is about more than just balancing your checkbook. It's about understanding where your money comes from, where it goes, and how to best allocate it to meet your needs and wants. It's about creating a budget, saving for the future, investing wisely, and protecting your assets. When you are in control of your finances, you create a sense of financial stability and freedom. This freedom allows you to take risks, whether that's starting a new business, going back to school, or even taking that dream vacation. It also provides peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on in case of emergencies. Moreover, financial literacy can combat societal issues such as poverty and debt. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money, helping them to break free from the cycle of debt and poverty. By teaching people how to manage their money effectively, we can create a society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. In addition, understanding personal finance can help you avoid common financial pitfalls. It can help you recognize when you're being charged too much interest, when you're investing in something risky, or when you're spending more than you can afford. This knowledge can save you from making costly mistakes and can keep you on the path to financial success. So, whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or you're looking to fine-tune your financial strategy, remember that understanding and managing your personal finances is key. It's the foundation for financial success and the first step to achieving financial freedom. Understanding and managing your personal finances is the first step to financial freedom. So, what exactly does personal finance encompass? Well, in the simplest terms, personal finance refers to the management of your money. It's how you handle your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Let's break down these components. First, we have income. This is all the money you bring in. It could be from your job, rental properties, side hustles, or even your investments. It's important to have a clear understanding of what your total income is, as it's the starting point of your financial planning. Next, we've got expenses. These are all the things you spend money on. It could be rent, groceries, entertainment, travel, or even that sneaky little online shopping habit you might have. It's crucial to keep track of your expenses, as this will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you could potentially cut back. Then there's savings. This is the money you put aside for future use. It could be for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or even just a rainy day fund. The key to successful savings is consistency. Even a small amount saved regularly can add up over time. And finally, we have investments. This is where you put your money to work for you. It could be in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even your own business. Investments are a way to grow your wealth over time, but they also come with their own set of risks. So it's essential to do your homework and understand what you're investing in. Now let's talk about budgeting. Budgeting is the tool that helps you manage all these components. It's your roadmap to financial success. It helps you understand where your money is going, plan for future expenses, save for your goals, and make informed decisions about your investments. Remember, personal finance is not just about money, it's about making wise decisions with what you have. It's about understanding your financial situation, setting realistic goals, making a plan to achieve those goals, and then sticking to that plan. It's about taking control of your financial future. And the best part, it's something that anyone can do, no matter where you're starting from. How much of your income do you think you should be saving each month? This is a question that can stump even the most financially savvy among us. The answer, however, is an integral part of personal finance. It's all about savings. Savings are the bedrock of financial stability. A robust saving habit is like a safety net that cushions against unexpected financial shocks. It provides you with the flexibility to make life choices without the constant worry of financial constraints. But just how much should one be saving? Enter the 50-30-20 rule. This simple, yet effective budgeting guideline is a great starting point to manage your income. It suggests that you should allocate 50% of your income to necessities like rent, groceries bills, the unavoidable expenses. 30% can then be designated for wants, the things you enjoy but can live without. And the remaining 20%? That goes straight into your savings account. This rule not only encourages saving but also promotes a balanced, responsible approach to spending. Now, You may be thinking, that's all well and good, but what am I saving for? This brings us to the concept of emergency funds. An emergency fund is like your personal financial bodyguard. It's money set aside to cover large, unexpected expenses, such as a significant car repair, a medical emergency, or even job loss. Without an emergency fund, these unexpected expenses could force you into debt. So your savings aren't just for a rainy day, they're your umbrella when that day comes. Building a healthy emergency fund takes time and consistency. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This might seem like a daunting amount, but remember, it's not a race. Take it slow, and before you know it, you'll have built a solid financial buffer. A penny saved is a penny earned, as the saying goes. But let's take it a step further. A penny saved is not just a penny earned, but a step towards financial security. It's the key to unlocking the door to financial freedom. Are you working for your money, or is your money working for you? This question brings us to the heart of building wealth. You see, one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth is to make your money work for you, and this is where investing comes into play. Investing is essentially putting your money into vehicles that have the potential to earn strong rates of return. If you don't invest, you're missing out on opportunities to increase your financial worth. Of course, investing does come with risks, but with the right strategies, it can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Now let's talk about the basics of investing. There are several types of investments, but we'll focus on 3: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent a share in the ownership of a company and constitute a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans made to large organizations. When you purchase a bond, you're effectively lending out your money in return for periodic interest payments plus the return of the loan amount when the bond matures. Finally, mutual funds allow you to pool your money with other investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Diversification is a crucial component of investing. By spreading your investments across a variety of different asset classes, you can help to mitigate risk. If one investment performs poorly over a certain period, other investments may perform better, offsetting the loss. Risk management is another essential aspect of investing. It involves understanding the risks associated with your investments and taking appropriate steps to mitigate those risks, such as setting a stop-loss order on a stock investment. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth steadily over time. It requires patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. So start making your money work for you today, and you'll be well on your way to building wealth. When do you think is the best time to start learning about personal finance? This is a question that might seem simple, but the answer is profound: as early as possible. Financial education for the young is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. The earlier we begin, the more time we have to make informed decisions, to learn from our mistakes, and to build a strong foundation for a financially stable future. Imagine a world where every child understands the value of a dollar, the power of saving, and the importance of investing. Wouldn't that be a game changer? It's not a dream, but a possibility we can make a reality by teaching kids about money. Start with the basics. Teach them about different denominations of money, how to count it, and what it can be used for. A trip to the grocery store can turn into a practical lesson about budgeting and prioritizing needs over wants. As they grow older, introduce them to the concept of savings. A simple piggy bank can be a great tool to illustrate how money grows over time. Let them save for something they want. This will not only teach them patience, but also the satisfaction of achieving a goal. When they're ready, dive into the exciting world of investing. Explain how money can work for them, rather than them working for money. Discuss the concept of risk and reward, and how making smart choices can lead to long-term wealth. And let's not forget about the importance of giving. Teach them about charity, and how sharing a part of their wealth can make a difference in someone's life. This will instill in them a sense of responsibility and compassion. Financial education is a life skill. It's not just about numbers and calculations, but about making wise choices, setting goals, and understanding the value of money. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start learning about personal finance. The best time to start is now. With the right knowledge and tools, we can empower our youth to become financially savvy adults. And that, my friends, is an investment worth making.